How to turn on two-step verification on your Amazon shopping account. How to turn on or turn off two-step verification on your Amazon shopping. Let's do it. First, just open your Amazon shopping, and after this you're gonna see this page, your home page. Click right here on your profile, and right now on your profile you will find this list. We found your account. Click see all. So here guys, you have to scroll this list. Click here login and security. Scroll down this list. We found right now two-step verification. Click turn on, and you have to add your phone number. Click continue, and yeah, and that's it. Click here, they will send you an OTP code, and that's all guys. So don't forget to like, also subscribe, and